Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Heather with Quantum Healing Within. Hope you are doing well through all of the crazy energies that are coming into the planet. We are moving through lots of shifts right now. It is one wild ride. I wanted to share some channeled messages with you today. Several of you have reached out to me and asked about the angel messages that I was adding to my channel every month. And although I'm no longer doing those messages, I decided to dive into the archives of some of our New Earth Mastery sessions in the Quantum Soul Portal. So many amazing messages have come through. And I think it's just so fun to share these messages. I know so many of you love to hear them and listen to them. So I thought I'm working on some different projects with some of this information, and I thought I would share some of it with you. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing an opening message from the angels. It's just a really beautiful message I think so many of us could use right now. And then also we're going to talk about how to work with the element of fire, what that does in our life. And then if you stay to the end, I'm actually going to walk you through a sacred fire activation. So if you are feeling like you have lost some fire in your life, I'm going to help you reignite that spark, that fire, that passion inside. So be sure to stay tuned to the end. Well, let's go ahead and dive into the message. So we always opened up with opening messages from whatever group wanted to step forward. And in this particular session, which was back in January, we had the angels of the earth step forward. And so they open with, "We smile today as all of you bring us so much joy, so much hope, and so much love. You are the bringers of the new earth, the new era, the transitional keepers of the light. We are proud of each and every one of you, for you have all traversed your own journeys to be here, to be able and accepting of this higher dimensional information that is not so easily accepted by many. You're able to keep your energy fields open and available so that you can continue to transition the earth, accepting more and more and more into your realities to create change. This is so important now. You are all reaching heights and levels that have never been reached by Earth before in this way. And it is all of you that is making these new vibrational frequencies available for Gaia to send through. And it is through your choice of free will that you accept to do so. And that is why we bring our gratitude and appreciation for all of you. For it's a beautiful choice of selflessness that you're bringing forward to expand oneself and one's understanding of what is. This is not easy for the human mind. So we thank you for following your hearts, for following your souls, for following your intuition. For truly, that is what has led you here today. We are blessed to have you, and we love you. So that was a beautiful opening message from our angel team, and I think just a beautiful reminder of how important each and every person is on this journey of ascension, of awakening, and the great shifting to new earth. And so the next question, or the first question I'm going to share with you, is about the topic of fire. We were already talking about the topic of fire. Around this time, there were lots of fires burning around California, and we asked some questions about that. And then that led me into this next question. And this question was answered by the Syrian bringers of the light. It actually started out, our beautiful Arcturians were speaking, and they wanted to invite a different group in. So I'll go ahead and share what came through. So I said, sticking with the topic of fire and the element of fire, we'd like to connect with the element of fire and understand what wisdom it wants to share with us that would be beneficial for us to know at this time. And the Arcturian said, "What a question. We're going to see if anyone else would like to answer this today. I'm not sure we're the ones who should do it. Just a moment." And then we hear hello in a different voice, a different tone, a different frequency. They say, "We are the Syrian bringers of the light." And we would like to assist you in your question today, as we have worked with the elements for many, many years. Understanding these elements, these energies, is what allows you to ascend, what allows you to connect with one another, to heal the broken, to heal yourself. The element of fire, as you know, is very powerful. This is the element that allows for one to move forward, to not get stuck or stagnant or slow. It's the momentum, the encouragement. It is the cleansing and the clearing. It is erratic at times. It's unpredictable. But it's what brings all of the elements together, in our opinion. Without the fire, one loses hope. One loses courage. One loses motivation in oneself and in life. Harnessing your inner fire can get you out of any stuck position. Let us show you in human understanding. All of you can use fire in your daily lives to overcome, especially on Earth. Fire is so needed. You can use fire as anger and frustration. And when something has gotten you so deep in the pit of your stomach, it can create that frustration and anger. Sometimes this is what you need to pull you out of a hole. It propels you. It pushes you. It forces you to make a decision. Sometimes fire can be in the mood of joy as well. So excited about something, so ecstatic, that you start to create great change in your life. And when you have the element of fire linked in, you don't think as much either. You allow yourself to make great leaps, jumps, quitting a job, ending a relationship, all because you had enough fire to do so. Fire is all that's needed. Fire is what gets humans to the next step. When a human being stops holding fire, frequency, element within oneself, they get stuck. They go back and forth. They can't make a decision. There's not enough energy or momentum to push them forward. They become depressed, anxious. They're back and forth with the wind, sloshing with the water, stuck in the ground. Only fire releases all of these elements. It's beautiful. Powerful element that all of you use without even noticing. It can create the greatest of change. So it just depends on how you want to use it. Do you see? We hope that helps you connect to the element of fire today, and that you will start to recognize it, its power, and its beauty and its glory in your everyday lives. Send it love and appreciation when it allows you to make these changes, and it will be by your side, allowing you to make bigger and greater changes. And when asked, it will assist you. It is alive. Talk to fire. She will assist you. So that was a short but very powerful excerpt about the element of fire. Hope you enjoy that. And if you are feeling that your fire is not burning as bright as you'd like, you want to awaken the sacred fire within, I'd love to walk you through a guided activation. This is just a visualization that you can use to begin to activate that fire. You can work with this type of visualization over and over until you feel that spark again. So if you'd like to awaken that sacred fire within you now, let's do this together. You can go ahead and take a slow, deep breath in. And just let it out gently. And feel your breath like warm air, fanning an inner flame. Go ahead and invite in your spirit team, your guides, your angels. You can even invite the Syrian bringers of the light to stand with you now. And I want you to begin to see a spark of golden fire at the center of your belly, just below your ribs. And with every breath in, this spark grows brighter and stronger. And with every exhale, release any fear, doubt, or hesitation that dims this fire. Breathe in courage, clarity, strength. Breathe out what no longer serves. Now, ask this sacred fire to guide your next right step. And feel it move through your body, igniting your passion, your will, your power to choose and move forward as a true bringer of light. And so it is. And so if you'd like to continue activating that fire within, you can simply use this visualization, adding anything that you feel guided to add to make it even more powerful. And if you feel like you've lost your spark, like you've lost your creativity, you feel stuck in life and you're not sure where to go next, Sarah and I are hosting a 2-day workshop called Sacral Alchemy. It's all about reclaiming your fire and flow. This is for those who are really feeling stuck in life, not feeling creative. You feel like that divine spark within you is just a flicker. It is not the passion and the power that it needs to be. We want to help you with that. We've got 2 days where we are going to really go into that powerful energy center. And I will say the sacral is a very, very powerful energy center. It's one that we don't often look at enough, in my opinion. It's what pushes you forward. It's motivational. It ignites all of your passions to move forward on your path, on your journey. It is going to help you in so many ways, just bringing a lot of joy and inner power back into your life. We want to help you awaken your life force and reclaim your fire. These workshops are so powerful and done in a group setting. It's just even more magical. So if you would like to join us for this upcoming workshop, I'm going to leave all of the information below. That's coming up in a couple of weeks. It's on a weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I don't have the date in front of me, but be sure to check the description. And we also offer all of our 2-day workshops in Tier 3 of the Quantum Soul Portal. So that's already built into that. If it's something that interests you, I do have the date. It is July 19th and 20th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. It's right in front of me. So we hope you'll join us for that. We'd like to reignite that spark. Just come join us. We have a lot of fun in these sessions. And I hope you enjoyed this message, the activation, and be watching for the next messages. I'll be sharing more soon. I'll see you in the next video.